Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your number one soccer podcast in the land. This is Deb3 TV. You're watching Pass and Move a podcast. As always, proudly brought to you by Ebenaya Foods, our number one sponsor. And this week, yay, kushubile akuzwanwana. We've got a guest. Can I call him a guest? Eh?
Okwama-minutes wona lawa.
Oh, mina singabeli guest
Engxe sengathi siyaqeda secabanga ukuthi ehlebe ngwalapha.
Ubuhle is not with us again. So we called in since it's, this weekend is the Battle of Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
We've got Islanders. Masutu City number one supporter or part of njengoba liba nenganga.
Number one supporter. I part of.
Part of
Because wonke umuntu osapota i-Islanders believe ukuthi ngu-number one. Believe ngu-number one.
mgijimi kavume utshethi nguyu number one. Wawugijima.
Umgijimi wabegijima. Engaboni thina sabe sikhanyile.
Vele mgijimi babukela idiski bona bana.
Bazwa yeye bephala ukugijima beqhubeke begijima.
Bahlala begijima. But we're expecting to have an interesting iviki le ama-press lamadoda sesithwele nzima. Press statement after press statement after press statement. But let's begin with the big ones, Zimbabwe versus South Africa.
Yeah.
Or before we get into that game, the interesting news, gents. Uziva president, libonini?
Oh yeah, yes.
So Nqobile Magwizi, we say congratulations to him. He's been appointed to serve on the FIFA Commercial and Marketing Advisory Committee.
Yeah.
So I think it's a milestone.
Yeah, kakhulu.
And isikhundla Leicester lasithole Leicester neye engupresident weZIFA. So nje angazi ukuthi kuyasubmitwa yini lapha namba kuyenzwa ama-auditions or into yokuthi wena babekubona ukuthi wena into leyo uyakwanisa ukuyenza sebekuthatha.
I think babe check imsebenzi.
I think babona ukuthi deserve. Ngelibanga lelesihambile think deserve.
So Toby angazi ukuthi what's your take on
Njengelizwe si-happy because khona ngale maybe sengathola ama-advice to improve ibhora lethu la ngapha libe ku-same level abantu bona labana, so I think it's good for the country.
Because okunye singakhuluma ivara nje akakayenzi kuhle endaweni zonke but uyabona ukuthi yena everything akuproposayo ngani ukudlalela esayidini lokuthi kucine kusitholela izimali yabona. So I think yikho abayebekubona ukuthi umshida lo endabeni zemali ngumuntu okwazi into azenzayo, so singamfaka lapho kulama structures are right, imisebenzi yakhe ngakhanya
ngoba vele bahle bamfaka ku-commercial and marketing.
Yeah, nje awona kukhanyana ngezwe-marketing offline.
so nje okumehlela ngapho ukuthi ungani kuyakhanya ukuthi ama-structures ethu akabi solid. And remember iZIFA mdala kudala idilizwe. Nxa kuyikuthi uzama ukulungisa angeke kulungise overnight okuyizinto kwakhona.
Ngike ngabona i-interview Robert Marao ekhuluma the same sentiments that you are saying uthi ibhora uthi we are 20 years behind. So ungangokuthi abanye uthe laphana ilizwe libe nama-sanction kwa-affecta kwaze wafika kusport.
Exactly.
Awachaya everything.
Uqinisile or
Awuqinisile, I think uqinisile ngendlela akhuluma ngayo, ngendlela lapha yena sekhona khona ku-FIFA sehlebona manje ukuthi Judy nasikhatshana. Sebona manje ukuthi
Mina, I
Judy
think
sikhatshana vele.
I think engabe eqinisile kwelinye side no like I think iZIFA yona ingalungisa ngokwayo iZimbabwe la iyakhatshana.
Yeah.
I think ikabe kusho.
Yeah, yikwabe kutsho but ngathi 20 years even 2 years just 3 years 2 years kungalungiswa kahle ku-board hayi
Improvement yakhaya.
Ngiyakhaya.
But mina 20 I think right.
Nxa sesikhuluma labo infrastructure le ndlela esenza ngayo izinto.
Yena uright ngokuthi 20 we are 20 years big. Uright ngenxa yokuthi thina izithiz you are playing away from home. Uyabona
awo base balo ku 20 years
sonke vele yonke into ezenzakalayo uyabona ama stadium yanje yabona sasekhatshana yanje yabona kare singena sibhadala but kwamanye amazwe just
tickets yesikana or something
kuphela so I think uright
uyahlala ku number 56
uyabo. So I think uMakhwizi ngendlela abona ngayo ngendlela asehambe ngayo la eqalisa sebona ukuthi ayisasekhatshana
la 20 years futhi ngathi yasintu chwa mase siphala singamfaka ngoba sikuwa wale empethu mawuya kubona FNB kumbe lesi sepolokwane lesi singabali Moses Mabhidi ukuyakhona
yanje yabona khona ukuthi
even ama players mawawostile ubona manje Highlanders versus Dynamos bazikhamba ze stadium ngendlela ezikhamba ngayo mawuhamba iChiefs lelo kuze niyabona hayi
anje wonke vele sasekhatshana
sasekude.
And you made a statement that kind of stuck with me for a while. You said Zim football is 20 years behind.
Yes. Yeah. You see, unfortunately, Zimbabwe around 2002 was placed under economic sanctions, and that impacted the socio economic well-being of the whole nation. Yeah. And as a result, it impacted on how even sports was going to be played. Most of our structures in the grassroots became compromised as a consequence of the financial or the socio-political or socio-economic scenario we had found ourselves in as a consequence of those sanctions. Now, the development that was meant to have happened, where other countries, I remember during that time, South Africa was busy preparing for the World Cup 2010. At that time, very little was happening in Zimbabwe. And of course, when the Second Republic came in, a lot of transformation, of course, started. Yes, and we, of course, started, the infrastructure, the roads that take you to stadia, infrastructure in schools, the universities. A lot of work has been going in. And right now, we're at a place whereby a lot of work is going in to try and resuscitate, to try and reclaim that former glory we used to have around 2000. But for that whole period, there wasn't any investment that was going in.
So ngiyamsekenda but all the same we say congratulations ku appointment yakhe yona le. Then Zimbabwe versus South Africa.
No coach celebrate ngani it is qualified leyo. Celebrate coach nalamhle yakhuluma akaqedi vele lokwesitha AFCON sesirate.
Mina ngabona even ama players they were dancing uma dressing room like what even lapha kube swine 1000 note vele besinga qualify then for what for
game lana I think oku celebrate and bekuyuse ukuthini game lana it was more than just ukuthi World Cup qualify. South Africa versus Zimbabwe derby very game lana
igame lana vele thina labo vele ngakhanyela for the past vele kuyafiwa
igame ye-South Africa igame yeZimbabwe leZambia vele kumele kunankanwe.
But how can we celebrate a draw instead of win? Because bekuyiZimbabwe, remember bekuyiZimbabwe versus South Africa.
Abe celebrate asliwa bemele
but go home, which means you accept ukuthi you are underdogs then.
Yeah, lapha ne reality njalo.
Lapha reality 14 injalo in terms of konke vele South Africa versus Zimbabwe. Kunjalo vele ukuthi nasabe singama underdogs lana ukuthi wonke umuntu vele uthi siyafiyazliwa for. Wonke umuntu uthi le yesiyayidliwa le. Yabo. Then to a surprise sokubuya.
Mina I think isisonke Masudu. Now ePoreni yebo kwaku right ukuthi bedlale bengathengisa igame. Bedlalela ukuwina even though singasoze siqualify. Bedlalela ukuthi even whatever the result eliyaphuma even bedrawile but le problem khona lapho okhunywa ngoMasudu. Ukucelebrate sigide ema dressing room uthi akhayili lokhu ufice ithi number last
lapho zakaza siwele igame yokucina saseke singunumber last.
So umbuzo wami ukubona kuMasudu acho khona ukuthi so sigidani so sigidelani
itelani
yeah ngake ngabona kule enye igame sorry esikiweni kwayisithi le Arsenal sadraw igame leyana yadraw isithi le Arsenal sebebuza uRod resithi amajita lesimo mentality thina besifuna ukuwina wona babuye vele besithi bafuna avoid defeat. I think into esona siyikhuluma ezwe ukuthi unisi akazake wangani uyakhanya ukuthi egameni ungenele ukuwina yena kufunayo ukuthi engadliwa kuphela.
So I want to have got a problem.
Is more mentality. Try mentality encane asikabi le winning mentality ukuthi singene egamini sithi sifuna ukuchaya abantu. Uthi singadraw sibili kumele sikhotha ngizamakhanda sithi ha igame le bekukhanyana sizayiwina but sesdrawile kuyalila. Ngoba ibhola li round South Africa bayachayeka on a good day.
Akula team engachayeki.
but mase compare iSouth Africa versus Zim ama quality of players lokuthi badlalela kuphi. Mina I think iSouth Africa lezim thina mase ipike kahle thina we are better than iSouth Africa.
Yazimi le talent.
So the reason why we thina banye sakwati ukuthi athi honda ba celebrate nathi mele siwine. Because look at you ebenchini bekulabo bani. Look at ama players that adlala uWolverhampton. Cabanga iSouth Africa bana iSundowns, iPirates. So how can you celebrate that? How can you celebrate that?
I think thina yiyo problem ukuthi we reduced ourselves ukuthi thina sifuna njengakhona ukuthi asila home ground sesingelani so sasitshela ukuthi choose ngama underdogs already because ungakhayela igroup yethu le ibi open for everyone uthi ngakwanisa ukuthatha ama points ehambe uyabona but thina sasinika lokhwana ukuthi sithi thina vele ngathi siyadlala singama underdogs vele asimilanga siwine any game singadraw right because adraw futhi le Nigeria waba isame into sadraw kade sidraw le goal waba isame into ukuthi siba spoilele inganti lathi sifuna kunjani ukuthi siqualify of which because in terms of talent thina I think isiphambili.
So nasikhona ngkhona Masudi ngizabuza even aba to our viewers ukuthi what are we celebrating ngoba ilogo nxa iphuma Zim is number last but after a draw sithabangani siwini World Cup.
Mina I think ikoma South Africans ngakhalela ama video azondile like iZimbabwe ubungani ngabantu labana kuthiwa uhlinzwa inkomo bona bathela inyongo. South Africa say expect you to laba Zimbabwe bathela thina yabona abantu asikhawulisile celebrate ukukhawulisa uya sifighte iSouth Africa ukuthi sesilikhawulisa asidlali ibhola sifuna ukulikhawulisa lingayi ngani like ukuthi maybe ufuna ukuthatha something umuntu ekudonse inoma sikhula pha ubaleka umuntu ebonke alapha nasebanjiwe la uthi uma ekwazi uyamthenga ngejubane bese kudonsa ibruku ukuthi ungahambi kodwa into siyicelebrate le lapha
lekhuluma kaGodi that day wathi into akafana ukuthi ukhombisa umfazi uthi sekuvumile lapha sonkono sithi abhadini labantwana abayi4
So but why is it ayithandi inkulumo yayo ususithi amajitela alabafazi abantwana abayi4 because bakhona step father of4 But on a serious note, guys, I think mentally wise, so we're 30 years behind.
Yeah.
So it's my mentality, proper, because what are we celebrating?
President Pelete were 20 years back, so we were trying to get there.
Hey, lie. And the way video in trend, angazumbelibe selibonini. Omavelo arupi. Befonela Scott.
Yes.
Befonela Scott thaba kakhulu simkhulu ndikuya naye ne Tuesday chi.
Exactly. Bekuma
dressing room.
Yeah, ngibona.
Ayibonanga. Abantu sithi on a professional setup aba proper abantu abafindisa ngoba it's not like ukuthi bafonela even upresident wezifa because abana represent ilizwe
because labana you are still on duty.
You are still on duty and ebona sebezi bafonela umnikazi wenye team.
Mina like esikusho eZimbabwe ngoba ade kusho sikhamba si negative. You know how approach something very negative vele wena ngokwakho usuzithelile ukuthi lapha angeke nga proceed umbe ngeke ngibe le mali yiZimbabwe mentality yethu sesathi ay vele angeke siqualify asingeke saphuma lama results asingeke sadli ijozi but equipment yonke silayo kube sahamba si positive nambongani sasiyawo
with ease.
But thina sihambe sisithethe one sikipe stadium like ukuthi awungeke wena uzopheka ukudla okuright upheka emzini wami ngebhodo lami you know because iZimbabwe singabantu ukuthi sipheka eSouth Africa ulike uthethe umfazi wakho ukuthi ayepheka somewhere komakhelwane you expect ukudla okuright yikho lama supporters ethu vela asevela kula lutho yabo
but gents asikhayeleni into mentally wise because into kumele siyilungisise iZimbabwe can play ball.
Yeah, they can play
with a better coach because I still believe Michael is kungela Kaitano that day. I think uKaitano ubuya lenye flavor.
Kaitano walungi wafika walungisa defense lapha
because anti siya ku AFCON because it's a positive result going forward. But mina my problem ngifuna abantu bengizwe sharp because abantu bacebe ngani bethi awutsho umuntu abangabantu abasola everything. No. A ground 90 minutes 0-0 good result. 0-0 because South Africa vele thina bese ngamanda dogs.
Qhawulana nindinge noma dressing.
Simple bra.
Impahla likhamba.
You understand? Because on that particular day asidlaleli lutho. We're not qualifying but sesilungiselele AFCON because these are the same opponents esahlangana lawo AFCON.
Yeah.
You understand? So sesidrawile 0-0 is fine. But after what happens after that's where my problem is. You understand? Because mentality yethu is just that sisasemuva kakhulu. Sisehlangana labo AFCON sesingakwazi ukuthi sibali. But khathesi sidrawile is a positive result. But ilokhu esikudlalelayo isitshengisela ukuthi we've got nothing that we are taking forward except ukuthi bekuyi preparation for AFCON. Huh?
Yeah.
But what are we celebrating as if we win a World Cup? That's problem number one. Engilayo.
Nambongani ispirit setahit uyakhumbula ukuthi ayithahit
Wawuyithahit Confederations Cup.
kwakudliwa amatheli ungakora wale celebrate wadala but ukubuza abanye la uthathi kwaye kukori
Kanti wesilementa lethona le
why
encane.
kukori that's sithabe ukuthi why sibambe iSouth Africa ngani kumbe sibambe iGermany ngani kumbe sibambe iBrazil
Even sibambe iGermany brother vele ibhora eground ungena 11. Any result can happen as long as kusem competition. Abantu singenela uyawina. Singa draw whatever it's a positive result yes we move forward. Asingeke celebrate ngani siwine World Cup thina ilokhu sitness ngunumber last. That's most problem that I have ngento eyenzakala on that particular day. So uthathwa azi ucheche ku coach wakho ngambuza athi uzodlala la phansi irecord yakho win how many have you won?
Grouping kwabawale 5 ma draw kube.
5 draws
asikabili win
Sikunumber last.
sibabe be celebrate wonke amalokhu ama draws
Because with that mentality ku AFCON siyabulawa.
Yeah.
Angutsheli mangu.
kulapha na 3 games phela sifuna 3 wins
Akula women ndawo yeve.
akula women away lapha
So
lapha vele kudliwa 2 stadium.
so I think izifa abakukhangela okuyinto kodwa bezama ukukufixa going forward because with that mentality gents to be honest asindawo sabe sidinda one down.
Yeah.
We are motivated by ukuthi siphambanisele abanye abantu thina kithi kungela positive esiyithola.
Yeah.
So senzani?
ngoma disturb
So
sichazwe ngokuthi disturb
Inhlabathi.
spoiler
singatsho na China sifuthi umphini iZimbabwe lapha ayicelebrate disturb
kuphela.
isithelenyongo enkomeni into esiyithabelela
So there's another game abadlalana as we
Namhlanje.
shoot namuhla ngo3
Ibadlala
Badlala
ngo6.
ngo6 oh sorry ngo6 Lesotho.
Lesotho
Yeah.
Uyibona njani igame la? We're playing Lesotho today is 6 o'clock.
mina
Sweet
kahle
episode
kahle
le.
eqinisweni
Mm.
nde problem the selection eZimbabwe. In a way sikhuluma ngokuthi game lay it's singazi win 40 kumbe 1000 no Thailand 7.
Mm.
But kuna kabe lokho kubhentsha abafana like oGaddafi Prince. Therefore umbizeleni maya bench igame lana engelancedo ukuthi lathi even uthiwa ama players kube sivunyelwe lathi ukudlala sekube siyadlala ngoba igame engelancedo. Igame yokudlala nje but babe babhenjisile. Remember into eyangichazayo, remember we qualified for AFCON. Liyani yabo gidiza liya. Bideo luphahla beshayina. Bashayina egemini yona le ukuthi kwabe sokudlala ama reject.
Sisihle Algeria 3-1.
Ama reject ayawina. Badlala ngoba ngabantu abazimaketha, abantu abadlala in heart abangekho full of themselves. Because iZimbabwe kulabo billiard they know ukuthi lo abengena ama camera abekipo what akula into abagcina beyenza, but look at umfana nowangena versus igame lena wagcina se pushwa ngumbokazi lo.
Alright,
Maswani.
That guy was fighting.
He's a good player, very
Who created that name?
Scotland.
Prince by the heart football they billiard labana sebeyenge one boot sebefuna ukuyenga lesithu abasela ndaba lapho labo umsone laba.
But it's actually true.
Sebezodlalela iScott lapho Scott ngezindlela bakutshela ukuthi hala basesiyenga sesidlalela ifitness nje lathi ukuthi sabantu bebhora, but in terms of what but labano Prince they still marketing themselves. Why bengafake zoma game afana la
njengale game le lokhuzini neyogcina le, I think ivele game yokutrya labo like abo Chipezeze labo bethole lawo that feel of igame. Bona laba bangadlalanga kwegoli abaningi ade bephandle, I think game yokuthi labo banike opportunity yokuthi benjani labo befeel that ilo ihit yona leyana egame, maybe sesingaphuma a positive result futhi again. So I think igame yalamhla it's about bona laba abangadlaliyo ama-fringe players la abangadlaliyo labo bephiwe i-chance because andathi sesibuild up for i-AFCON. So at least ungabona than uthi ulokhu ubiza abantu ungabadlalisi awusokubabone ukuthi u-AFCON will they be ready or something, but at least bengadlala sebabona but lo at least sengasinika something ku-AFCON.
Uzagcina bele team esipredictable ku-AFCON.
Vele lokhana sonto esingatshona si-change sifihla umphile ngithatha amazwi kwaMasudu. Vele yikho kukhona. Uya i-team eZimbabwe sesiyazi. It's predictable. And mina amboni ngingazi maybe uKaitano nqa and I don't believe uKaitano ngu-yes man.
Leyanayo.
uKaitano doubt ukuthi ngu-yes man. So kungaba nama-changes ngokuletha uKaitano ku-setup. Sengamncedisa yini there khona lokuthi maybe engce sesingabona abanye namuhla. Because yena enguye yedwa labo lokhuzeni. Labo take sure vele bezenzela intando and bekukhanya ukuthi le direction yakhe uKaitano engaba nguKaitano esimaziyo, I think iZimbabwe ingaya phambili. So this game like we are rightfully saying Masud, fringe players abe ku national team omele bedlale sikhanyele ukubona ukuthi going forward sisiya ku AFCON ngoba lapha sesilungiselele AFCON and as we know iZimbabwe vele ama friendlies we struggle to have proper friendlies. So igame le esingayisebenzisa sisiya phambili sizabona asikwazi ukuthi iyadlala njani, asikwazi selection izaba njani, sesikhuluma ngayo next week sesibona ukuthi okay badlale njani.
but
prepare njani.
that's our cry. Ayikho ukuthi abatwa ama national camp kumbe kube labanye abantu. I think iZimbabwe yethu sasiyawina ku South Africa le game esikhuluma ngayo. But mina mbokani kule ma selections akuthi itwa umfana Ngatambe.
Lokhana we know.
National mfana Ngatambe.
Lokhana is obvious.
Uyabubhekile ukuthi hayi no matter. But okwamanje umfana lo sokumela angene.
Lokhana is obvious. Anje ike sikhuluma ngakho phela ukuthi after Bora kuma dressing room sebefonela uScott.
Why?
Nguye phela sengumnikazi we-national team.
Ngizwe ukuthi ngena ibafana.
Lokhana is obvious. Ike sikhuluma ngakho phela. Lokhana is obvious.
besidiscuss kwendawo sithi uyabona oNoxway bengabizwanga labafana abala muntu ngani uNox uyabuka bheka manje ube man of the match
that other day yeah
Eh,
and
wakhuluma
sakhuluma
man of the match
kula episode
bheka manje akabizwa vele umuntu othiwa akekho vinile lokucatshangela
maybe nceba zabakhangela going forward sisi AFCON siseduze
omele bakhangele nonkayitano cause
Uyabazi.
eSouth Africa
Ukayitano-
uyamazi mfana nomhluphile la zazo ku super sport
ukayitano knows eish so asiboneni ukuthi after igame nale kuyabe kwenzakaleni babezeni ngoba thesi sikhuluma esikucabangelayo lesikubonile egameni yeSouth Africa
sale sidlile eleSoto dala even lapha eChaya khona uyayibona i-team lanto ayisabi
ile direction
ade ukhulunywa nguTopi ukuthi igame amena si approach sile negative oleSoto vele mdala even if ulibawo ngene ground iza ku-attacka from minute 1
yabana baserious even ilose yabo eNigeria tuboneni
iza ku-attacka from minute 1 so thina singabeya lo i-negative wethu kanti sifuna ukuqala sidefende siyalala sigqoke izicathulo
ile Sotho usho kahle singasishaya ngani ile Sotho singasishaya ile Sotho mawu ulandela ibhola ile Sotho
yasidla phela
ngabafana abathwa ngama unknown badlala as a team no one ukuthi uyakumcabangela no one ukuthi what yabo unlike thina silabo bantu omina bazazi yabona even i red card kaMsona la ndibonile selfish beke bemkantsha uMsona abantu ukuthi iBoras lijudge ukuthi ayi bephe Zimbabwe hayi la sidosela ingubo lapho esilele khona uMsona uyenze njengombukazi
retaliation
uMsona beke bamkantsha elokhuzini ngale boxing lapha sephindisela how come ulanda umuntu swa uMsona babezazi bethe mabefika bazibona kuma post eSouth Africa bazibona amalokhuzini ama newspapers yabona you are facing ile Sotho abantu aba unknown remember ile sister yathatha league uma Harris bese ngabazi yathatha league ishaya ngoba abantu ababesithi let us go for iwin
so ezindlela uthi ile Sotho isingasidla
ile Sotho
anivike yasidla
yasidla
umfowethu esisho vele ababo ile Sotho ma ukuthi uma ubuka ibhola buka lama opponent ile Sotho vele lapha edliwa khona that team is fighting abe fighter
yeah that's it about the national team but ezifa lokho ezikhala asimanga ezifa moving on to our division 1 football ama press statement engakakhuluma ngayo siqalisa but dasikubonile okwenziwe eShisham iwithdrawile izifa yabhala statement yababisela yenzi i-committee ukuthi bekhangele ilokhuzeni yakho bebisele futhi masinya
so I believe ukuthi committee lana ayikaqala umsebenzi official
i-ad-hoc committee
khona izaqala sibelokuphendla
to investigate ukuthi why iShisham yawithdraw
but mina le theory
theory right
yakhumbula into eyenzakala ku-Northern last season
kungena eScotland
ukuthi kule case egcinwayo ukuthi mana sibone ukuthi ekugcineni kuyaphuma njani and then kungaphuma ngendlela okufunakala ngayo sharp kungaphuma ngendlela ongafunakali ngayo
sekuyi problem
i-committee lana siqala ukusipana manje sokudinga anti already vele indaba echisa yokuqala ukuthi kuthiwa kule player elatshintsha identity le hard rock latshintsha identity
and ikhona thambana umfana no
ladlala igame nale i-hard rock yayiwina so ngezinye 3 points esizibambileyo zona lezi but indaba lena ivukile but akuzange kwakhulunywa ngayo committee nale ithe but awasila yabe banje ogcineni khona ngalo ukuthi vele kuzahle uqale ngayo ukuthi
so right ngicela ukubala i-statement seShisham bale sezifa so that we give context to maybe nce our viewers abengawazi ukuthi kwenzakalani so iShisham ikhiphe ilokhuzeni i-statement i-withdraw
right a press statement for immediate release le bengeka 4 October
All right.
Shasham FC and Shasham Gweru Queens withdraw from leagues. It is with a heavy heart that we announce the withdrawal of both Shasham FC and Shasham Gweru Queens from their respective leagues. This decision has been made due to ongoing issue of uneven playing field, which compromises the integrity of the competition in the Zifa Central Region Soccer League. Despite our repeated concerns regarding poor officiating and other related issues, we have seen matters ignored by the ZCRSL Central Region. Consequently, we believe there is no justification for our continued participation in a competition that appears to be predetermined. I beg you.
So after that statement, then Zifa releases a statement again. It says Zifa saying is totally. It says Zifa to establish a committee to investigate Shesham FC withdrawal. The Zimbabwe Football Association Zifa Executive Committee at its meeting held on 9 October 2025 has resolved to establish an ad hoc committee of inquiry to investigate the withdrawal of Shesham Football Club from the Zimbabwe Central Region Soccer League. The decision follows recommendations from the Zifa Legal and Player Status Committee meeting convened on 8 October 2025. In accordance with the Article 55 of the Zifa Statutes, the ad hoc committee shall be constituted as follows: a chairperson who shall be, it says one, a chairperson who shall be qualified legal practitioner; two, a deputy chairperson who shall be a sports administrator; three, one member who shall be a former referee. The committee's terms of reference are to investigate the circumstances surrounding Shesham FC's withdrawal from the ZCRSL, including any related complaints, determine whether Shesham FC exhausted all internal remedies available under the Zifa statutes and ZCRSL regulations prior to withdrawal, access response to ZCRSL to any complaints lodged by Shesham FC, and submit a written report of findings and recommendations to the Zifa Executive Committee within 7 working days from the date of appointment. The Zifa Secretariat has been tasked under the guidance of the Executive Committee to facilitate the appointment committee members and provide the necessary administrative support to ensure the effective functioning of the committee. So, after a statement says Zifa this, then Shesham releases a statement on this very same day, the one that you said Eduz. So you can quickly go through the statement, then we discuss on that.
So a statement sokuphenduka la dated 9 October 2025, that's 5 days after the withdrawal. Shasham FC and Shasham Gweru Queens are pleased to confirm the resumption of our participation in the Zifa Central Region Soccer League and Zimbabwe Women's Premier Soccer League. This decision follows constructive engagement with various football leadership stakeholders, during which we had the opportunity to discuss our concern. We are encouraged by tangible steps being taken to address the issues raised and remain committed to contributing positively to the growth of the game. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to our loyal supporters and the wider community for their unwavering support and patience during this period. Your belief in the club has been our greatest motivation, and we value the encouragement and input received throughout this discussion.
Shesham. So, Machens, Shesham withdraw. 5 days later, it keeps statement mhlaka 4. Mhlaka 9 is if you keep statement ifake ad hoc committee. La Shesham mhlaka 9 on the same day keep statement iyaphendula. But with a similar case, imaningi yabafazi. Remember?
Yeah.
Imaningi had to withdraw. Akula ad hoc committee, akula ma statement aphuma from eZifa. Uyabona ukuthi there mina ndenkinga vele khona. Singakayindawo.
Mina I think imaningi yona financial problem, man. Of which financial problem. Izifa ngeke ingenele isiyakhipha imali for iclub, man. But uSheshama iteam financially sharp because ungakhanyela maningi ama team awithdrawayo ngenxa ye financial izifa ingenele. And but le Sheshama it's a different case ngoba labo ngabantu ade belento abazikhalelayo ngeleague. overall uyabona since kungabantu laba abaphampa imali kuligi and stuff so labo kade bekhala ngento ezenzakalayo ithiwa yini i-central region engakukhangeliyo uyabona but then nge-statement sabo sebephenduka bona sebesithi labo bahlala phansi labanye ama-stakeholders awebhora bababonisa ukuthi but lokho ayisikho eselifuna ukuyenza because ezithizi liyabe selibuyala ibhora lethu elezimbabwe because iSheshama it's a big company uyabona and it's not ukuthi bona ngabantu abachiya ngenxa yokuthi financially abasele uyabo but ngibachiya ngento ezikhona ebhoreni lokhona kukhona vele worldwide vele ama-team kuyayenzakala ama-problems and but ukuthi lina liphonga ukuchiya I don't think it's professional so iZIFA I think they did a good job ukuthi bekhulume labo bephenduke kuleli
yeah mawuthi they did a good job which means iZIFA did a good job lapho kule mali khona if wena mawungela mali la ungacomplaina bakwekela phela ukuthi hayi bayenza umsebenzi oright ngoba kade kule mali khona
hayi
kuba uthiwa ngabantu aba right even kube ku-withdraw i-team engela mali but ikhalela ukuthi lapha lenzi kahle madoda kumbe lapha ku-central region beku-southern region lenzi kahle i-withdraw ingela mali ingela amakhampani futhi iZIFA iqale yakhangela ukuthi laphana phela kule ndleko ngobani which means ibhora lethu libanjwe ukuthi wena ungubani ulani which means wena ungacomplain unobhari but le bhora alisekho
in terms of ukuthi aba-withdraw bengela mali like abomaningi it's hard for iZIFA to pump imali etimini because already iZIFA la ifuna imali ematimini ayona ngokwayo ayila mali yokuthi ikwanisa ukuthi inike look at even iKwekwe United they were struggling but iZIFA ngeke ifike inike iKwekwe imali yokuthi lina kholisana ama players lina lizayenza so because mali iqalisa lina already lithi le mali yokusustain ileague so it's hard for it then ilapha manje kuboSheshama indaba yokuthi bona ayisekuthi baphumela imali abasekuthi baphumelani bona
unfairness
baphumela unfairness of which unfairness into yokwanisa ukukhulunywa ngoba labo in terms of level ku how many games walezo kuyabe kulamanye ama team abasole iSheshama futhi uyabona so into zokuthi liyakhulumisana because i-team engela kuyafana kathesi ku-Ajax zithi la yaphuma and iZIFA lapha ngeke ithi Ajax sizalinika ngoba ezithi iZIFA la ifuna imali yabo ref ifuna yini ku-Ajax yona le uyabona so kuba nzima vele ukuthi iZIFA incede abantu abanjani
abangalalo
ngoba la izithi ziyabe ngela sikhwama so because sonke sizafuna uncedwa iZIFA
plus nadala ipoint lesike sayikhuluma futhi last week kanje ukuthi mina I think it was a worth compromise ukuthi nje kusuke kwaba segcikeni kakhulu kwaba obvious kakhulu but i-compromise eqhakathekileyo because kala iSheshama is one of singathi maybe better structured teams ku-central lapha
kakhulu
exactly ulandele ya-draw kanti yona abantu ababelama resources iSheshama nxa iphuma laphana usale ya-draw maybe ingene ku-premier la ama-team aseleyo ngale dala constructively lapha ngaba constructive and awasoze esinike i-picture enhle enough nge-central and yabona like enorthern ngale ama-team asharp ngale balamabhasi lana and even i-team edliwayo yangikhona uyabona ukuthi vele ba-right ulawo uzube le interest yokutshona ubona kwenzakalayo so imagine ngapha sokungasela iSheshama so i-hard-rock usihambe ku-premier of course yasesela abo Banda Pirates bayancengisa
wesishaya le stadium phela yavala stadium
but ipoint ekhulu Masuthu singayibalekela mina I think ipoint enkulu kakhulu ipoint yokuthi asithi ngabe bekuyi old train West Nicholson yadidlala elokuzini
Central
o eMatobo
I'm sure very kade
any small team
is different
anti
but bekhala nge-same thing ezikhala because iSheshama ithi playing field is not level madoda kulama team angana favor in this case bakhulumela ya-draw Athi wona bathi yadraw ngani ya favor ngani kwenzakalani.
thina abasikhulumela ukuthi i-fairness
I-fairness kube fair to everyone.
kube esho asho i-working solo ikhale nge-fairness
uyabona ukuthi
Yeah,
problem
withdraw.
it's a team i-team
ibiyakayintoni ubani
ama-team wonke phela ayakhala nge-fairness because obvious akukula fairness kuma-leagues
Yes.
uyabona wonke ama-team wonke ayakhala fe but yona isikhala ngenxa yokuthi anjiyabona ukuthi khathesi yona they are chasing uyabona so khonokhwana very obviously ziyaqalisa ukuthi aso but ungakhanyela kwampana ezinye iziphandla ziyabe zikhala ngokuthi isheshama la isenza so uyabona so I think it's about ukuthi ebhoreni vele kukhona ezimbabwe ulavaa vele akulava vele
mina ngibona amanye
But ama-facts abakhala ngawo madoda ngama-facts avalid.
baqinisile
baqinisile bona
but ukuthi bona lapha
akuvumi
uPiro uzondela ukuthi uBhanda cause la uPiri kwamenza
omenze
sezona nxa senzakala uBhanda
ubhanda
uyabona but mina elinye ilupho elibonileyo or maybe kungagcina lingangincedisa nxa likwazi anti ubona ukuthi lapha from emaningi sike sakhuma emaningi very resign very
Withdraw.
izifa izange yafaka even
Anything.
even a statement of acknowledgement
Yes.
siya acknowledge yenza lokho ukuthi yatshela i-women premier soccer sesitshaya phansi ngaphandle lilungise lokhu lalokhu
1 2 3
lawo yathula zwi
kwakuningi phela la besides imali basayitha amanye ama-factors
Ababhala.
akhala ngesheshana.
babhala baze bathi la mathimu amakhulu asithathela ama-players awasiniki imali yabona
Basayitha ama-factors amaningi.
yikho ngikutsho ukuthi yizo izinto ezikhona vele ukuthi
kuma-division 1 lapha amathimu maningi amathimu awedrawile ungakhayela vele ama-division 1 akhona amathimu akumabhayi
Ama-buy maningi.
Central,
No
Southern, ngale
Eastern.
yabona wonke la ngamathimu aphula out and
eh
asizange sabona izifi sithi we acknowledge ukuthi team lethu esihambe
Yikho khulunywa ngomasudu.
yabona singasabali ukuthi bancenga ukuthi bephendule
Yikho khulunywa ngomasudu.
uku-acknowledge so ngibonela ibhola ukuthi kule gap between ama-leagues ethu lawa le motherboard
The
yakhona
motherboard,
izinto.
yes.
So ezingo-chairman maybe ziyabonga ukuthi le decision asizenzele le yabo and then in this case ishashami yona sibona ukuthi no lezi vele singadila lazo o-chairman bethu la bantu
Akulanto abayenzi.
awulanto abayenza ngcono sijampe vele sisiye kuthi
Seku-motherboard.
yabona i-motherboard yahle yaqala ngokuthi siyibonile incwadi yokuthi lithe liyanjani
because la izifa thina ngeke sisole ngenxa yokuthi wena
Hayi,
ngabe
esuke
ngaku-
siyayisole.
hayi ngiyatsho ukuthi yona njengokuthi maybe khona ngale kubo central nxa bona bengathathanga imithi abayihambisa kuzifa
kulama-channel.
izifa yona imelela
I-report,
Official report, yeah.
uyabona so ukuthi labo becomment on it uyabo so I think yikho lapho kuyabe kule problem eyabe isenzakala kwamanye ama-leagues ukuthi akufiki
so ama-league athatha
kuphelele
indaba
eduze.
nje ezidicayidele ukuthi le qakathekanga
Uyabo?
But izifa is not like ukuthi ayisozibone phela.
yabizabona but basebenza
Uyakhuluma
ama-reports
njani onongela report
asoze besuke
Njalo as i-motherboard, you've got the right to take up arms and say, lokhana because kuyaphambanisa, it's putting our soccer into disrepute.
kamele sikhulume
Khathesi even ku-Premier Soccer League i-Ireland ingabhala incwadi ukuthi we are withdrawing.
le FIFA yasukuma
You understand? Because this is what I'm talking about.
le FIFA
Izifa isozithi i-PSL ayilokhuzanga.
ayisoze ayireport
Asozithi i-Premier Soccer League ayiripotanga.
vele
So kuyafanana even okwenzakala kuphila kwenzakala kuBhanda. So even kuyiphi team ethi ya withdraw izifa has got the right le mandate yokurana ibhola leZimbabwe ukuthi kanti ku Central Region ama team a withdraw, Southern Region ama team a withdraw kuhamba njani? Bale right ukuthi babuze.
bayangokuthi yena
bayawujabula sendi
i-team
Bayawela
yakho
sendi.
awuvali incedani
amangela
ukuphuma
mali
kwayo sabe siluzeni anti ukuthi bakhuluma ukuthi iseshami ingaphuma ngezinto elazo kumbe ngelevel ekuyo yabe kuza affect izifo
plus bona babesenzela nje abantu kuyafana lokuthi eziphumayo mostly zese zingasabhadala uref sekuyiproblem vele already azibhuki stadium already sokuyiproblem
bawungela mala
avele bawungela mala
lebhola lidlala nzima
Yeah.
All right, ngiyakuzwa. Moving on to another press statement. I think this one
Aye.
was what he talked about everywhere. Iziyahamba Southern Africa. I think le trend eyaze yafika even world over.
Omchita ngiyam-imagine, I think wayebhalelele ngesiso bebambuswazi ukuthi what.
So kule incident that took place, everyone saw it.
Mm.
Ucoach wacha umfana ke ngempama, whatever happened wayenzakala. Ucoach withdraw national team, whatever happened. Then umfana wasebhala incwadi. Gents, into le mfuna sikhayile ngelihlo elikhulu ayikhona ngelihlo elincane, because iza affecta or yasetha i-precedence wrong to everyone, ama-players adlala i-disc currently laba abanye amancane abakhulu ababekhayela such incidents.
Yeah.
So I think uBoyze lapha ubhala incwadi, angikwazi ukuthi uMcDonald bekuhamba njani, but years later I have to read it out. Which I'm writing to provide a formal account of the incident that occurred during our recent match against Dynamos. During the game, an unwarranted goal was awarded to Dynamos, which understandably led to frustration amongst our players and technical team members towards the referee's decision. In the heat of the moment, players and staff were engaged in remonstration. Our head coach, Mr. Chiragwi, attempted to mediate the situation by encouraging the players to refrain from further engaging with the fourth official, as this could lead to additional disciplinary actions against our team, especially since the coach had already received a red card. Unfortunately, during this exchange, the head coach inadvertently raised his hand, and in doing so, he accidentally made contact with me. I want to emphasize that this incident did not cause me any physical harm, nor did it affect our relationship. I see Coach Chiragwi as more than just a coach. He has been both a mentor and a father figure to me during my time at the club, and even before that. I have no offense to what was clearly an unintended gesture amidst a highly charged situation. During the match, I was substituted into the game and played my heart out, motivated by the desire to win the game for the coach. Following the incident, Coach Chiragwi apologized to me in front of the players and Mr. Musariri, the club chairman. I truly appreciate his acknowledgement. In conclusion, I wish to clarify that the incident was not a serious matter and I hold no grievances regarding the situation. Thank you for your understanding. Sincerely, McDonald Makuwe, player. Uthi kajayawanga yena encwadini.
Engathi kathayawanga na ividiyo ikhona bemkhepha babamshaya ngempandla.
Yabona, this is what I'm saying, ukuthi it will set a wrong precedence. Gents, incident ibonakele umhlaba wonke. uBoyz uchayiwe. Then angazi umbe abalama advisor intopi lama advisor in as players, because
labana iyokuthi issue leyani yabe sihlupha ngenxa yokuthi yena sokusiya ngami lawe relationship yami wena lawe ukuthi sometimes maybe uyohle kulose control wasunchayana. Then mina lami sembona ukuthi ngingayela ukuthi ngibhale something about it, I will tarnish your name again. So lami senzama ukuthi ngiprotect la ibizo lakho, but nasesikhulumile sa resolve everything. Because andila ke kungabantu labantu bokuthi kudala betshona bebonke, kudala plus yethu ukuthi nguwe wamthatha uBoshabhani, nguwe wadala bebonke vele. Yabo relationship yabo khanya injani iliyane solid. So ngangokuthi i-relationship leyani yokuthi lawo yabe sebonke but kuphambanisekile. I think la isibindi sokuthi ezama ukuyambamba ilesiyane sokuthi wena ngowami, wena umtopo wami na kanjani ngiyakwazi, yabo. So I think yikho kuyenzela wagcine ebhala in a way of ukuthi people could understand the relationship esilayo lo coach kuyenzakele phambi kwabantu sibili. It's wrong, vele it's totally wrong, but yena bengamcrucify because of our relationship, yabo.
yikho lapha mina engena khona kanye mfuna linzwisise and to our viewers at large. Kwi-incident yenzakele umuntu uchayiwe sibonile. If you've got an advisor bhala kuhle kucaca ungathi ngoba i-accident isandla sagcina wachara ngempama sonke sabona topic emakhulu because esebhale so akusela umuntu omtrusta umfana lo yena as a player because lapho seqamba amanga
uthi accident
that was not an accident wachara proper
laphana topi anti into ababezama ukuyenza lapha nani yileyani yokubambana mina into engayisola encwadini leyana anti i-wedding
this is what I'm saying
indlela nje mfana ubhala ngayo
this is what I'm saying
but kukhona ukuthi like yakubone ucoach engabuzwa ngeplayer ipondile egame indala yakhona ukulidefenda kupress ehambe emuva ebhula iplayer uthi member hayi lapha nje kusidlisile yabona so I think uBoyzela bezama ukuba njalo ukuthi emphakathini kube defend ucoach but indlela manje akukhulume ngayo manje because awungeke usitshele ukuthi anjayanga bemele mthetha hayi you know even ubhala ukuthi coach unchayile but bekungaso intention yakhe yabona unchayile but bekungaso inhloso yakhe enesaxolisana emuva sokuphelile
mina kakhulu ngalandela uAsh lapha uyabona umfana lapho ubhayize ngani umfana leyana into uqinisile iyenzakala epublic ethi yenzakala epublic therefore kayisokumele loba bona bexolisene khona ukuthi loba bexolisene ngala kayisokumele ukuthi la yanjani engathanishi lokhu zini ngoba bangaxolisana khona kwenzakala epublic thina la sakwazi ukuthi bona i-relationship enjani kade mele exolisa la public kanjalo yiloba ezaxolisa public but you know uDube ngokuqamba amanga ukade lo advisor ade zathi hayi mfana mle into bhala so uthi hayi as a result of anger ugcine njani entire but amina lo mfowethu hayi lo coach wamasixoliseni yabona yena engasho ukuthi uyenze mistake ungathi umuntu uyenze mistake esukele wakushanga kahle ngempandulo wakuthi wawela le yabo
yabona yike ngikhona ukuthi
i-advisor ade mele bebuye lapha before bebhala ama-statements yabona ukuthi badlulwe ngabantu basema-church ingane abantu basema-church uma besiyabe beyenza ngokusathi interview kuyi-testimony baqala belibuhluza ukuthi testimony leli linjani bona kube labo baqale bahluza bona enganobhalile wasowajikela
yabo yike ngikutsho masuthi ukuthi i-statement lesi sesisethi i-president e-wrong because sokungani umhlaba unamanga ivideo ikhona because i-evidence ikhona majenzi
because yena ucoach yabona ukuthi ama-statement la asuka e-contradict futhi
anjabo
ucoach wabhalisa yakhe i-statement yena uyavuma ukuthi waphambanisa
you understand
obafana yena sithi ucoach kaphambanisanga
yiko lapha engikutsho ukuthi sephambanisa sesethi i-president e-wrong yabo even to other amanye ama-player because akuqalisi ngayo ucine ngani ukuphambanisana ama-players vele boring because ibore lama emotions sizaphambanisana but how we react after so melele kuma should be saying hayi ucoach lapha wanjaya but inhloso yakhe bengazimisela ukuthi anjaya kuyasixolisene yonke into isishabo because the statement less so ngani ufuna umkhavisela ukuthi ungabi lamanye ama issues whatsoever amampende ngani ngenye ipicture yena evele wabuya wakhuluma ngenye
ukuthi wena right uyi1 thina si 20 million sesihlanya thina so
hey akunzima
ama-advisor lama-analyst ade mele umfana
labana i-PR ye-team
la public shows so igap so kutshengisa ukuthi as a player should have representatives
as a player le team because I'm sure
team obviously bahlalela
kube labanye abantu before ungakapost into ku-public kanjalo ibe ikhangethi ile wisdom phakathi into lezayo ngoba into ephuma ku wisdom
yes
ingafani la lokuthiwa ama wing ama tinted 2 minutes akusela abantu yabukhuluma enye into ebhola engani azange lihlalele phansi before you faka phambili ifake
kube le
order into elebantu
so it's very important ukuthi ama players abe lama advisors before anything happens uphume image yakho isale iproper
lama team iPR and abaqatshe bengaqatshe ukuthi hey umntana kaMalume uyakwanisa ukuposta ku Facebook awuyezwa media lase no kule mthetho umuntu kabhale nje lomele bhale ngayo
lokhu phela ngeke kwaphuma ku team phela lokhu zenini yangu labo babebalile abe-PR
bayivumela
so yathola ukuthi umuntu waposta vele yena vele usebenza ukuposta ubonga ukuthi nansi incwadi check ipost kabalanga vele
lokhu besofana lokhu kanti umuntu uyawunyathela wona usuthi hayi sorry ngiyakhoza unyala ngaphansi kwalokho umuntu uyatheli so akuningi osobele sikufunde ebhoreni so uma Gwizu right sesibo 20-30 behind ngoba if we are still making such mistakes
mina I think abafana abaningi abalama-advisor abafana vele balama-managers
babe balutshwana
abafana
sibuze
no abafana
asithi ethimini lama-managers
alokhu kuya ngawo wena personal
abafana abantu ababathi
is personal
ngabantu nje khonokho ukuthi
ngabantu abalokho yakwazi uba manager wami
sizwanana
because wayimbuza njalo kulena lesiyiphikisana thina ethimini athi njengomfana lawuthi wait ukuhamba kwakhe nje wayelo manager mbaye ngalamanje kodwa kufanele mgqoka kusasa suthe ngisihamba
hayi uyabela
lack of manager
uyabela uthi wait wayelaye lapha
wayelaye
but enzama ukutsho ngama manager indaba ka 30 years behind leyana silabadala bona bathi thina siyakwazi ukuthi kathesi wena uli player andi ekutshela ukuthi abakhulu beHighlanders ngiyabazi wena sambe yokhulumela ungeni
they are not properly managed
ngakhonoko wena sengumanager wakho but ukwazi ukuconnect uthi engena lapha but ama legalities lana okuningi ngakwazi kubona endaweni ezifuna sokulomsindo wena njengeplayer ukwazi ukuthi nxa uhola ama 5000 akho ayangabi ubona yikho sobona futhi silama players ukuthi nxa se retire uzotshwa iplayers selidubeka because umanager vele umuntu ngokuthi nguhambisile uboss ungahola kumele undinge siyonata
that is why isaqina sisibiza player agent ukuthi izesixazulela i-episode ikhona bengayicheck ikhona lapha sile soccer agent isixazulela into zonke zona lezi izinto ezikhona
asingasithi ngomanager amajita abasebenzisana bayancedisa mina mana ndidlala ibhora wena ngiyabe nguduma
iZimbabwe kube kakhulu njengalawo ubulawayo kube kulama managers kuba abafana babedlala ibhora sebabona ukuthi azi kubuhlungu ubona umuntu wayedlala ibhora umbone esengokunye
songasayenze phela
sefuna ishow lanto I blew it
so moving on guys, there's a lot of action that took place over the weekend. We'll start over with Division 1 football. Or we'll do the honors.
All right, abo mama lapha ngiyaba
lama Zimbabwe Women Premier Soccer League la idlalini.
Ngiyaba lama ama results all right Maybe kade ku match day 25. Black Rhinos ichaya Highlanders Royals 3-1. Platinum Royals ichaya Imposa 4-1. Imposa kuthiwa siphumulile.
Imposa kade bese mfubuza uthi ati
yathi yaqedisa.
After that sokuphunywa. And then Rentals Queens ichaya Harare City Queens 3-0. Ichapungu ichaya Red Buffalo 9.
Aleya chale Chapungu.
And then Faith Drive it royale 2-2 the Black Mambas. Then Cranbourne Royals draw 0-0 le Conduit Soccer Academy. So ilokho then ilokho bele ngakaphumi.
But Rentals iphezulu. Followed by Ichapungu. So moving on to Division 1, siyaqala nge-Southern Region.
All right. Southern Region otopi igap lapha bale maintain 5 points baba. So
everyone
iwange singu number 2 inkayi singu number 3 enka kaya ama break sebamba kakhulu. So ama results ami kanje Black Rock idrawele 0-0 le Vic Force Rentals Iku live idliwe 1-0 iCashmine. Then iTalent Vision idrawele 1-1 le Nast. Zebra Revolution ichaya Bulawayo Warriors 3-2. Bulawayo Chiefs yachaya Megawatt 2-0. And then Imbizo yachaya 1-0 imain line. And then iwange bekuwalkover Ajax. Iposo 90 inankiwe iJordan 1-0. And then Inkai United idrawele 1-1 le Bulawayo City. So iloku lawo ele Southern Region kathesi Ibulawayo Chiefs has played 29 games ile 67 points. Wange 29 games, 62 points. Nkai United 29 games, 59 points. And then go relegation ngale Ajax obviously, and then Nast FC iyalanda lapho 21 points, Equal Life ile 24, and then Zebra Revolution ile 31 is4. Sales Scarlet zingachaya phansi lapha. Isizini isiyaphela la.
Ayafika.
So moving on, so we can safely say
Bola Chiefs.
Bula Chiefs
Kusele how many games to be?
say 4.
4.
5.
5.
There's still 15 points to play for.
and Silty lapha ku-Chiefs.
There's still 15 points to play for.
I mean, I might think. Yeah.
I-Chiefs mina of course ngangayisupport kakhulu. Ngangiwenkayi but i-Chiefs ngayibona
Mandela babeka benkayi.
experience
Yeah.
and ithimele experience masifike esigabeni sona sana never ayivuzisa i-Chiefs idlala experience ngayibona ngendlela enokha ngayibhora masiwini hayi uyayibona njani singazi maye ngayiqela ngapho uthi yaba umuntu olunguza iphinde kuyena because angisayazi ngokulunguza ephinde kuyena.
But we can, that I think I concur. We can safely say Ibra Chiefs is coming back to the PSN.
Yeah, as it stands. Because
I
if
don't
15
see-
points is name, Tala.
Yeah?
And
If
if
15 is name, but they're not conceding goals.
yeah.
They are not. They are maintaining. If formula, our concede, bengathatha 1 or 2. Uyabukwazi ukuthi deliver. Ungacheka monthly ka September ukuthi badlale njani. That is
Yeah.
the only Cardino sibone bemnika lapha nilokuzini. Coach of the month. Look at coach of the month. Can they concede few goals?
Yeah. Because
And
utopa ukhuluma kwe experience. If anything, ithimele experience yokulunguza manje iwange. I-Chiefs lokho yangena. Premier irelegate ka-1 kona. Kona bebe iwange vele kokulunguza vele. Iyakwenza lapha.
And yeah, but engikutsho manje i-Chiefs ungathi uyayibheka le wanga ezifaka ukuthi yipi team lo uyilandela i-D1
I-Chiefs
usayibheka
is structured.
ukuthi i-Chiefs yipi team ezalandele i-threat ku-Chiefs ayicabangele inkaya hayi wangayi Chiefs ithethe lapha amadoda singathini 15 points yipi team engabuya
Plus iwange okunye ukuthi vele
hayi Chiefs ithethe
umkhiwa wathi ngena vele andi vale khiwa elisha like a parent company iCollar. So athi befika vele yena waba ngumuntu othi wonke ama sporting activities into afuna ukuyiqala from phansi. So yikade ngokuthi i-Chiefs kathesi yona lapha engcono khona kule wange se-structured lento abayifunayo bona ukuthi bona vele bathi silapha nge-accident kumele sibuyele. Whereas iwange bathi no, we take our time.
Chiefs is as good as
So, yeah.
i-Chiefs vele sikhuleke thina vele sifuna ukubuya
Because i-chickenini la idlala kubi ngale. So nona i-Chiefs ingene.
hayi i-Chiefs ngathi uma uyibheka i-domestic football i-Chiefs ihlelekile. Ungafika i-Chiefs village la uyabona even ama-supporters ayo ngibona yi-team ezaqasha ukuthenga ibhasi koBulawayo enganingcono. Ngibona yi-team ezabonakaliswa ukuthi kungcono because ubone lokungena phakathi isiyawomapha i-Chiefs yabe smart.
so structured.
I-Chiefs structured ngibona yi-team ezaqasha ukuthenga amabhasi because ungalandela i-chicken ilandele thina behayilander amabhasi la nto yazibonela amasimi ngayelela le but mina i-Chiefs ufisa kwami anto sonke arara na ufisa kwami ngiyafisa ukuthi kumbe mathwa ihayilander sipaka amabhasi thina yethu siyipake kwenye indawo singadlali laba abafana laba.
Let's move on to the central region. The central region were an issue again. A press iduli badzimu iqinikipi
Edule badzimu Ntombi.
statement.
Ithe siyadlala thina. But inalisitshela ukuthi shasha biphenduka. ithi besitshela ama-players ukuthi hayi lena hamba sizalifonela tate abatshela ama-players ukuthi
So
hambani
you see what I'm talking about?
Eh.
Nxa ngikutshela ukuthi uMagwisi right guys it was 20 years behind.
as administration esendra ayikho serious
yikho ngikutsho
Eh?
ukuthi sometimes
Kuningi okwenza kube ngabi serious but look at it this way. Or incwadi la elokuze
lokhu
eduze la ke
alright I'll take it
so but i-reference about playing match under protest to me it may concern we as Dulibas Team United Football Club are fulfilling our fixture against Shesham FC today 11 October 2025 but registering that we are playing under protest because we were not given adequate time to prepare for this game. On October 5 this year our team received from your office a letter signed by Nyapomwe confirming the withdrawal of Shesham FC from the league. Knowing it was the team we were fixed against, we relaxed and even sent some of our players off. We only learned through social media of their return, and in the interest that Zimbabwe's football become the ultimate winner. And for did I read this right? Okay, yeah, right. We only learned through social media of their return. And in the interest that Zimbabwe's football becomes the ultimate winner, and for our reputation as a club, we picked up pieces to fulfill this date. But we do so under protest. We are registering with this letter and hope your administration arrives at a proper decision of handling our case. We are yet to be informed that indeed Shesham is back in the league. Otherwise, this match is another practice encounter, and another match will be fixed to fulfill the league game. Such a game we hope will be fully sponsored by yourselves as the administration, and you are not willing to share the cost involved. Please take note that a fully detailed report will follow shortly. Secretary General
but why balloted to whom it may concern eqeda we received a notice from your office andiyamazi umuntu ambhalela kabhale ukuthi wena wambhalela incwadi leyana bhale yini
so egamini ilokhuzeni iDulibas Team yabulawa 4
so ngawela
bayitsha fonoti ilokhuzeni iDulibas Team i-Central Region there. I think I've got the results our Central Region eduze
angekuyekele anti awasikho kule team akathi sithi yikho kule Dipo
mina yami Eastern but in this case i-Blanket Mine idli Green Tigers 2-1 also so iGwanda Pirates leGokwe North
1-1
yani ukudliwa 13
yeah,
ibambe unumber 3 1-1 le team yadliwa 13 not so long ago
la 13 home ya
yadliwa kunumber 2 13 ikuhome kade sibi kuhome idlala number 3 draw 1-1 anyenzela uthi ngubeke
I think
thina sisho lutho
mina I think ibona abantu yibo back to our first topic yibo demele be celebrate bese bengene beqele esihlahleni
hayi ba celebrate anti 13 bayakwazi kwahamba nje even 13 babe ngadraw
so uthi kwenzakela kwa draw iGwanda ibingawina 14
kwana phela ananka phela
abe beyintindlule nje urizalto wale uthi hayi kube 1-1 abadlwa 14 13 kube 1-1 iShabhani Joel Itongo Gara. Then another interesting result le lokuzeni iChabungu sidli Gem West 2-1 so kuloko ilokuzeni iyadraw kibi kubhayi iyadraw kibi kubhayi so it maintains top spot followed by Shesham then followed by Gwanda Pirates. Then ku Eastern my favorite. That's my favorite.
Yeah.
Feel, but it's unfortunate team being supporter
Maswing
Maswing.
ubona ukuthi kwenzakaleni before igame
A lot of things happen.
ayikheli gedi
A lot of things.
yahlala 36 minutes iphandle
games zangikhona bewuhanja
ithe ingena yathi hayi i-dressing room le
Asingeni.
asingeni thina siyatshintshela ebhasini but kodwa lapho banangwa futhi
Watshentshela ebhasini babazi. we top of the table
Yeah, top of the table.
between Hunters the Maswingo. Maswingo lost to
FC under.
KFC Hunters 1-0. Proper, but proper.
Abachayi.
Moment games and all that.
Very proper game.
Badliwe. The game living and is widely covered because there's one of my shots from all English, the updates.
Won't to go in the stadium?
Dala. And enye into engichazile umfana ocoach Hunters umfana omncane I think
27.
we don't register ama records there is man. I think he's the youngest coach.
But Hunters ngangena uzaba ngo youngest coach to qualify a team ku Premier League.
Which looks likely.
Yes, it's 10. So I mean 2 games, 3 games.
Say 2 games.
So Hunters iphezulu 2 points.
2 points.
But the problem
Say 2 games.
yakazi problem and problem ayikho between Hunters le Maswingo. Le Tenax.
Tenax yeah.
Tenax yayikhona.
Tenax silingana ama points le lokho le
Maswingo
because Hunters is 63.
Next game.
Ile Tenax le Deportivo la Muramila.
Amuramila sayithe.
Maswingo yena.
Maswingo iyadlala le Manika under 19 le Tenax futhi.
Hey.
Tenax kusezandleni zayo.
Tenax usazandla kulezandle ingawina
zonke isingeni.
Tenax is Tenax.
Because when Tenax is the rank of 4.
You win 4.
It's making a statement. It will number 3 a goal different.
Tenax yona ingena right itenze le Maswingo franchise.
Hayi Maswingo so many.
Tenax yafuna.
Tenax yafuna.
Tenax yafuna.
Lezi
amasoji.
La
yo amakoso okulunguza la.
League that's more interesting now.
Kathesi
Yiko ngokuthi lezi izovela ezindala zokulunguza.
Tenax aso bokajeri. I think okajeri.
Correction now.
Bafuna manje la.
Bafuna
Bali bafika besenzani iproblem phi.
But ziyafuna.
But ngibefuna. Tenax yafuna. So I think that's the ama results nje abengana interesting because ungacheck anti top of the table lazo then if elandela iTenax idli rank of 4 so kusele 2 games Eastern region those are the fixtures gents Maswingo ile 61 points iHunters ile 63 points on top then ilandelwa iTenax la iTenax is on 61 points kuyashesha
but kuyafiwa man.
Kuyashesha
kuyafiwa 2 games
league imile moyeni.
and for Tenax idlala le top
Lazo
2
zonke.
lazo zoyi2 ingazidla zoyi2
isingena.
isingena
Usikhipha twazi yaprintwa ye last day.
Baba Tenax yele chance man.
Tenax ngoba kusezandleni
Kusezandleni zawo.
so let's look at Northern ekaTupa uTupa ile ngayo Northern
Hayi Northern
Topofele zemali to.
Hayi Northern athi imali yonke nje.
but lakho kuNorthern lakho is interesting
it's very interesting.
Egama ifone kusasa.
Ijoin Mombe yaori winile 2-1 ku Zambezi. Agama yawina 1-0 ku Harare City. Golden Eagles yawina 2-1 ku Shamva. Then iChegudu Pirates yadliwa 1-0 Chinhoyi Rangers. Chinhoyi Stars yawina 1-0 to Karowe United. Then itable yabo kathesi yafiwa. Imombe yaora ile 76 points, 35 goals. Agama ile 75 points, 32 goals. Hayi ngathi vele
lapha kuyashesha
number 3 ule 62 Golden Eagles hayi sekho.
but lapha kusele 5 games at least.
Lapha kusele 5 games. Of which kusafiwa what.
So which but it decide ngezi 2
Manje into emnandi ama fixture ngkhona Friday imombe yorile Golden Eagles.
Hey.
Agama le Black Rhinos.
Why now? Rhinos phela ayikho kashana.
Rhinos number 4.
Cheka belaji. Ngombe yaora idlala ye Friday. Scotland Friday.
Zonke zidlala Friday. Manje lezi laba bayenze ukudle bathi zonke Friday.
Bayenze ukuthi
laba bathi Friday zonke so kuyahanjwa. Asazi ukuthi uyama.
Lapha bayenze ukudle bazifaka
zonke Friday.
I don't know then abantu ba busy.
Because kuyahlupa phela ungadlalisa enye Saturday Friday and ngathi yiko kuyenzakala uNorthern so far. kusafiwa la kwakukakhanyi ngathatha
So divisional football yethu i-southern region yenganisole direction yodwa.
Yeah.
the rest
The
akusahamba
rest kusasele umsebenzi.
the rest
Kusaseshela.
kuyahanjwa se
So there was a Premier Soccer League fixture over the weekend between i-Triangle Simba Bora. I-Simba Bora zidlale 0-0.
Liyana ngayitshela abantu la. Liyana iSimba Bora sidlala under pressure. Ngakhokhana ukuthi iScotland yabe ama-game iningi. Yazi sometimes ungaba lama-game iningi. Ukucabanga kwakho towards ama-game abuyayo vele kuyanikaza abafana babe under pressure like ukuthi beka labantu abasilandelayo mbe labo abantu esithesana labo bawinile. Mina selidlala mina like angazi abanye bayathanda ama-game iningi but mina ama-game iningi mbonani a-right ama-teamini anjengabo Everton njengathi hayi le ndawo ababesemuva hayi right ayibona ukuthi kube le game iningi nesithesana
Ukufihla umpini ngawuthandi
But still even ngabe bawinile bebenga izumahluko kulokhu izinto.
bebesala
Nge-1
nge-1
point.
but ube kungcono ngoba ipoint omunye yakwanisa ukuchele.
But all I'm saying is iScotland bayaliblock iphezulu still nge-1 point. But now sebesala nge 3 points. Ngizucoach istatement esingethusele uluphahla ngazi ukuthi right or but yena
utheni uDubai
uthe point away from home chesa ku league uthe vele is the best result.
ayikuthi ekhipha uphunya mthetho
mina I
wawo
think kuwe i-right because andi kuyaba yi-3 points laphamta kuyaba yi-3 points of which there are still games to play for one and ukuya eGibwe ngale abafuna usurvive relegation so very it's always be hard team to beat because eGibwe mangakaphumileyo kade isimalutshwana so for yena I think ku-right so kumele la izame la ukuthi njani eyozwinela home ama-game akhe because hayi eGibwe wakathethe kunzima.
So I think we can write so the statement i-press statement enye ephumileyo Premier Soccer League ngezi Platinum Stars FC and Mr. Tekshua Chirakwi summoned to PSL disciplinary hearing. The Premier Soccer League has summoned against Platinum Stars FC and its head coach Mr. Tekshua Chirakwi to appear before the PSL disciplinary committee following the incidents that occurred during the Akatlaka Premier Soccer League match against Dynamos FC played at Rufaro Stadium on the 4th of October 2025. Tekshua Chirakwi's charges include violent and disorderly conduct and improper behavior likely to bring the game of football into disrepute. Against Platinum Stars FC, charges include disturbing the normal proceedings of a match and improper behavior and conduct exhibited by its technical team and players. The disciplinary hearings will take place at the PSL offices on Tuesday, 28 October 2025. Why PSL ayiphuza?
lokhu into zokuthi gaga lesi anti abayenzi lutho anti kule national team
Why bephuza bese bethi mhla ka-28 kumele ukuthi ngabe bahle babasabona ukuthi okay guys namuhla nge-weekend i-verdict bese silazi kuze kuhlala amagame ezedlala kuyakumelelweni ngoba 28 ke sokulanda so almost a month
ebe sechaya omunye
hayi kasachaya
Hayi ulepho ngebhethi umthamo omunye uzamqala.
Akathe
kasachaya
sefundile.
But engangikutsho mina lokho angazi inkezi yona izayenza njani uthi inkezi im-excuse kancane
leyana into ayikhuluma i-right leyana yikumprotecta because lapho ngakubona ngendlela owawufaka ngayo ukuthi kathesi so abantu babekwazi leyi because umember lana sokokuqala abona ama-reaction akayekwenza lokhu ungani yachinga aso first time kuyabona enye ividiyo I think babeseGibwe yini uyakwenza vele okuyinto khona ka so abantu bengabakwazi ukuthi vele yinto yakhe
bamhlokoza PC Kariba I'm seeing ithatha ama-points la akuna team ele pressure according to me iyada under pressure ngento eziningi kakhulu so I see ZPC ithatha 3 points la then iPlatinum le-tell 1
Draw.
iPlatinum idla isidlala imbasambasa ungathola kuzo kuyi-draw ungithola esidliwa not bangayiqalela uyikora isaphendula
i-tell 1 singathatha
so kulula kuyaphuma emandaba malanga
uqinisile draw
Draw.
Then iBikita ile rentals.
Bikita.
According to i-Renters ngayibona udlala kwakhe. Hayi i-Bikita isingawini.
Bikita.
I-Renters like i-Renters athi vele umele uyifunde. First 45 minutes yabe short until abane ilomdala.
Statement lesi sisikhulume ameni years. Ama team efike kudla team la.
Team eshort le.
Hayi but hayi lokho sikhuluma mayezi umdala futhi uyabe lokho ekhula. Ngiyabona umdala versus game last game uyithinte ka 3.
But what I shot I want
What I shot lana yachayi lokho zini but wayepasiwe. Wangidala ngamanje. Umdala ngamanje uyafunzwa bo.
Abantu abaveze bejayela udlala benjalo nje. It's a difficult team.
So hayi Renters hayi into asayisabisa.
Ingezi leSimba.
That's a game.
Game le mina ngayinika ingezi.
Mina niki iSimba. Niki iSimba. iSimba isihambile nyelaweni. 4 games.
Draw manje.
Lama mfavor kuSimba.
Then iCapes le Manika.
Hayi Cape.
Mina niki draw le.
That is difficult for chicken in a triangle.
Nini Saturday.
That's so school.
Chicken in triangle.
But ingadlala la sengaba idraw le.
Scotland le Moses.
Mina le ngiphi
Baphi
Moses.
itape yabo besasengani.
Na ngiphi Moses.
Nami ngayinika iMos.
Scotland ngendlela echise ngayo.
Ani Scotland.
I think in Scotland. But chisile ande bona almost core team yabo ku national team. Idlale that game bachisini. Bebuya bengabe beqedeleni.
Hayi Moses there.
Wesiserufa.
1 week bephumulile.
iGreenfield le Quick.
Hayi Greenfield lapho seyasuku.
Yeah, hayi Quick vela.
So asikhayeleni lokho gents. I think isikhathi sesidliwe ngumangoye vele. I think sisele sikhayeleni lokho sithi harahara.
Yeah.
Ngasichecka ilog table. Ngama fixture la kwabonile. So we've got Scotland on 59 points. All teams, I'm happy all teams are on 30 games.
Yeah.
Saturday 4 games to go. Ama fixture week 31 seswabizile. Scotland is on 59 playing followed by Simba on 56. Then Moz on 55. Fourth place team is Ingezi on 51 points. So
yabona mawukhayela ama-fixture eScotland lawo eSimba kuyafika because iScotland yona ingayihliye ukudla iMosi.
That's the only tough fixture that they
uyabona manje.
Isimba yona ihle ukudla Ingezi. So yabo balance, but the most interesting one is from Highlanders going down. Highlanders on 35 and is playing Dynamos. Dynamos is on 33.
Ngawina yaphezulu kwaYilanders straight.
Dynamos ben. Dynamos ngawina ihamba phezulu.
Iyaphezulu.
So I think Masudu le yiyo vele ebesubizele yona kakhulu. Uyibona njani?
Hayi mina leyangisabisa. Ansabiswa.
Your former coach uKayindu uyabehlezi kwenye dugout.
Kule statement abasirelease after Kayindu the chama match but the Jets to become the chief cornerstone the time ethatha coach of the month.
Saturday ka 2.
Saturday ka 2. Why right eChapo na ngayo. uKayindu kwazi kahle ukuthi emagomeni. And this time manje iHighlanders kube wayibukela kube uKayindu la obekhona versus eScotland kube zayibona iHighlanders ayivuzise emathimeni amakhulu and njalo iDynamos ngangcono sidliwe ngenye team lapha ukuthatha league lapha kufana singadla iDynamos esithethe league amanxeba ethu wonke lana tshona singamanxeba abekhaviseke
Ande abosuyeza nje abantu beZimbabwe uyathatha league.
Thina vele singadla iDynamos
Suyeza nje national team.
No singadla iDynamos ayithena sethi imdrawile thina singadla iDynamos njengoba sizayidla
Ya celebrate nje abantu abathethe league.
Siya celebrate kakhulu futhi labala sabe iDynamos sizidlela uKayindu sesibathengisa ukuthi ni into esilahlile ngiyathoba
cornerstone yenu
thina
uyadilika.
siyalahla nina yadropa sasibatshengisa khona lokho so thina we've got ama-reason to celebrate
Hayi, Tobi lo number 1. We're number 1 webhola.
so yinto vele ekhona and njalo thina remember and this is so touching iScotland sasedla we dedicate that to Scotland they dedicate that to Moyosai.
More excited.
Eish,
There is no way.
so rest in
There
peace.
is no way. Tena Musa ngasila khona. There is no way. So i-Islanders ukuchaya sabe sithi Dynamos uKhayindu. uKhayindu remember azange sambhalela sathi hayi Khayindu hayi contract iphela lapha. uKhayindu samxoxa. Wehluleka samxoxa. Sathi hayi no Khayindu uhlulekile. So angeke sidlule chawe into esikwazi ukuthi thina uhluleke kithi hayi into ilahlileyo iza kuchanya ukhanye simlahlile
Kungayenzakala otherwise. Let me be the devil's advocate. Kungayenzakala otherwise.
ngayenza otherwise
Belichaya beef.
yazi ukusichaya ibhiyo
Hayi. Wathi usukhuluma inside bithi bengalidla beef.
bangasidle ibhiyo
Kuyenzakala is football.
so kwabe sokumethu utraya landela ukhanye
Ayisuyi
hayi cause sabe singasakwazi ukuthi utry sisapha ngayo lo khayini bethi ngale thina sifuna abantu abanyu you know thina sifuna ukuthi mawugezisa ibhodi ugezise into zonke ezinyu ungathathi umsobho wazolo uthi awuzafaka enyameni yanamuhla utry vele kwamele ahambe lapha
Wajensawo.
utry lo agency bamele behambe lapha behambe bonke isuphu yayizolo nenyama yakho ihambe mase simixe udijongu lesuphu elilacha yabo try
So
inkosi lama
idynamo uKhayindu ngalaya elenda. Aso problem ka Dijongo ngu-try.
hayi ngitry
On that note, I think that's going
I predict game with you.
I mean, on my side, I don't see Kayinde losing to Islanders.
Because
I don't see Kayinde losing to Islanders.
senge ngahlala ama-supporters e-Dynamos dala. Vele ama-supporters e-Dynamos even iChibuku semi-final. Bathi we prefer ukudlala e-Islanders eBarberfield. Cha ikwesiwina khona. Abe-Dynamos. Watsho bathi singahamba ngale ibhosi yasichaya. Yiko abakhuluma.
But I don't see Kayinde losing. The best result would be a draw, but I don't see Kayinde losing to
Alright,
Islanders.
asifake ku-draw.
Mina, ngiyazikhulumela mina.
mina ngithi asifiki 27 minutes lo khayini sabe sesihlukanisa izinto phakathi ngesande come on Sunday sithi ama viewers come on Sunday sizabona iDynamos asifike 5 minutes 27 minutes ungafika 28 minutes kwayizokwenza 27 minutes
Uyibona njani?
It's an interesting game. Yana igame I saw game yokuthi ifuna ama tactics ifunani it's about players nje.
But into
Because it's a
engichazayo.
big game very so inzima wena why. Yeah. Because ikarisela phandle anti sikarisile.
Yazi into engichazayo wethu. Sifayiteli relegation.
Iyo phela manje ukuthi akulenza
This
lelo
is the first time in history.
Yeah.
Which is Dale is fighting. There's something to play for, but not the
top
but pans.
but
On that note, nasemele ubona 27 minutes yakuprom. Sabe sisoke beef.
yeah 27 minutes hope bengaso befaka umshora ngoba umfana lokwadla national team
Sukhala sengafika.
hayi belela
Ameskise bane.
ngiyasho ukuthi
hayi belela sandle hayi
no guys mina iyayenda ngelandela omendaweni iyayilenda lo okwamanje umfana uphumile for me bangayekela ukumfaka ngoba lokho akulokufala kwabo lokho ujayi ngobani ukujalo ka hayi
but manje phela igame le ayifuni ifomu le igame le very ifuna ifomu usungaba khona the same day le game la
Umuntu
le
owazi ukwenza egemini yangikhona.
so ngaba nguyi match winner egame lo le
hayi ngongongo
Ngoba le
nothing
kunzima.
to fear experiences
Menzisto Slescard. There's an issue that we forgot to tackle, guys. Sesivala alright. Asivaleni ngale.
Alright.
kule boys esiyibonileyo sike ukwakhuluma ngokuthi ama-players ama-former players akubona sedubeka bla 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 kule former player libanjwe lithengisa ama-drugs amidu and kula ma-issue ayi-2 kona baba amapholisa lomnyaka otshiyeneyo lwebhora
athi le-29
so what's your take on that issue Jake uthi khaye i-former player because umfana uhamba la ku-Chiefs waphenduka I think udlala ku-Caps
wadlala e-Black Leopards u-Abbas
u-Abbas sebanjwa ethengisa ama-drugs a-former player
ya mina I think yona lento sitsho ukuthi yabe kulekho omanager babehola abafana labo nalabo bahamba la ku-Black Leopards babehola ukuthi be-invest bebathetha abafana loba imali incane nje but investor ungafani lo mfana wethu omunye kulomfana wethu onzisa ubuhlungu everyday mangimbona wasentumbana ngemkambe igama maybe yamazi
hayi ngasuthola intumba sengimazi
yambona ubuhlungu lokha but abafana abebekwazi mabe bedlala ibhola bebekwazi ukuthi this is career eyakhona ukuphela lawe ungadlulwa inyoni lawe ubufaka lawe iphaleni lawe khona okuncane ubufaka
inyoni yabe lokuziyajika
inyosi lazo ziyakwazi manje ziyahamba emahlamvini ziyethathile ukuze benziwe sezifaka uluju sesiyakudla phansi lamagame manje abafana uzabona sebehawula khala umfana ubanjwa ama-drugs yinto vele eyangisayo and som-expose leminyaka anisiyayazi iminyaka ebebhoreni kulonye lokho engikubone kwakapini lapho kwakapini kweminyaka njengoba vele abafana iminyaka uthiwa ukapini 31 years ngaphi
atobi ukapini
31 years ukapini wathaya ibhola besazi Caps 9 leqalisa wayile ngani
uthini issue ka-Abbas
kunzima
because when you are currently playing
kunzima
I think this goes to you into ayikhuluma as
Nah,
you are currently playing ukuthi ungathathi ungalandeli izinyathelo ezifana nazona lezi I think yikho uMasudu ukhuluma ukuthi abafana abadlalayo khathesi
ake kuyi-eye opener la ukuthi ubuntu kumele uyenze into ezisharp ngesikhathi esisharp to avoid into eziyabe zinje so
eseceleni
but okunye gents okunye nje I think umuntu yabe ezihlanyela u-Amid uhambe e-South Africa esikhathi utshisa uGibson Mahashi agent nxa ngiyasho ukuthi la wahamba ngaye since vele kade utshisa uGibson abafana bakaGibson abaningi vele bachayela amadira sharp ungakhayela i-amount ye-staff abanjwe lazo ama-amounts ade bewakhuluma 75,000
too much
mina ngithole isense yokuthi lo ngumuntu ukuthi ebelayo imali yokuthi yena yakhona ukuziphila kuhle nje uzikhethele ukuthi ehambini
iroute
yama-drugs uzitshela ukuthi kumbe kuzaba yi-fast money kumbe kuzaba njani kumbe uzamsalela imali eningi angazi so kunye so ukuthi even ebambile imali abantu abafundiswa ngaba happy that day ukuthi uTopi lapha wathi ethimini kulo psychologist
I think balo everyone
i-team vele ama-teams ayenze khona kwama-workshops ukuthi ama-players ahlaliswa phansi be-train for i-afterlife we have seen e-SA yabanjela imali yakho wena kule mali ebanjwayo nxa uretire yi-system eseyafakwa emathimini uretire kuphela laphana wena imali yakho sasiyibamba cheki nansi cheki hamba uyeqala nxa kukhona ukuqala nxa ukuthi athi ungekho set yabona njalo nje so I think okunye nje abantu babe sebezihlanyela imali babe kade bevele belayo but bakhetha ukuyihambisa endaweni engayisiyo
ya mina ngibona ukukhuluma ipoint usuwamvule enye ezekho ukukhulumayo kwenzakale kuRobino uRobino current nomseje
imali la
lo Madrid wake wathengisa ama-drugs tabe kukuye vele umuntu wesigebengu vele wesigebengu ngase dlala ibhora amaye esigebengu maye tshontsha vele uyatshontsha even uyatshontsha imali
akho 75,000 iminingi
it's a lot of money street value to be ukuthi on that said note gents I think we can pick it up maybe next week but it's cut it yeah guys what an interesting show uMasudu ama last words wakhe uthi abafiki le Dynamos 27 I think those are last words uthi abafiki 27 minutes le Dynamos we'll see sichayisane kudlela special gadget party with
hayi mina ndiqhubekani lisekela siyabonga lapha hayi masuthi siyacela ungabe isivakashi hlala ube khona siyakudingela isitulo
ebe ngwesi-5
siyakudingela isitulo but siyabonga ukusekelwa qhubekani lisekela asilutho ngaphandle kwenu.
Toby, last words.
Hayi thina hayi siyabonga ukusekela lama comments konke lisenzela khona hayi siyabonga kakhulu. Continue supporting us.
Guys, until next week, please remember to like, subscribe, share, and engage us on the comment section. Lisitshela ukuthi uma sithu i-debut yakhe ibinjani. Njengoba beshaye isuthu edurayo. So, see you guys next week. Adios.
Adios.